we're going to change the air filter and the cabin filter in the RAM TRX. So it has this little cord right here. I'm gonna play around like back and forth and pull this down. We'll pull this down, then we're gonna go through here and we're gonna be able to free the little cord. Okay, we're gonna squeeze this over here. There you go. And that's it. Right there. Okay. So that's our cabin air filter. Now let's go ahead and remove one here, one on the other side. We just press on both and take this out. Now we got the air cabin filter. That wasn't that bad. All right. Go with the instructions, which is pretty nice. Step by step what we did this morning. Okay, so we have the Canon cabin air filter. This is the one we're going to install. So go this way. Just push all the way down. Just place in the cover. Should click both sides. That's it. Let's put the card back together. I'll make this hatches are gonna fit. Same thing for this side. Just push through. Don't forget the little cable. Go this way. And it goes up. And that's it.